Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a sensitivity analysis with a two-way data table in Excel. First, here's the problem, and you wanted to save $1,000 in a bank account which pays 5% interest rate. So you can see here 5%. This is the present value, $1,000. And you also wanted to look around and find which interest compounding period will pay the highest amount. So the interest rate is one thing, right? And you wanted to find out which bank compounds period and how frequently they do that. And let's look at you put $1,000 as initial investment in this account, and how much time it will take for you to earn the money, right? And we call it the future value. And the time here, I'm just going to use an arbitrary 5 years, for example. And the formula for the future value is actually equal to PV, present value, times 1 plus R is the interest rate, right here, 5%, and divided by N, which is the compounding period. And then this here in parentheses will exponent to the N compounding period multiplied by the T times in year, right? So this is the problem. Let's look at the how we calculated it using a two-way data table. Here you will create a table here, and very important is you need to have a formula here. The formula is actually you're looking at this present value times 1 plus that D4, well, which is the interest rate. Like here, you can follow it in here, and this interest rate has to divide by 100 first because it's a percentage, and then divided by D5, which is the compounding period, and all of this, this right here, exponent to D5, which is compounding period, and times years. Now, once you have the formula here, you can create a table and you put it in a row. Compounding period 365, like 1 day a year, every day of the year actually. And then most likely the interest rate will be compounded like on a monthly basis, which is 12, or lesser than that, or 4 times a year, or just like twice a year. Then the row over here, the column over here, column, you want to look at starting with 5 years and go down 6 side and so on. Now let's look at how we do this. Once you have the formula here, you will go to up here, which is data and what if analysis, and you click on data table. Right now you have a data table here, and you need to put in the row input cell. Row input cell is actually equal to this because this is the row, right? D5. And then column input cell is actually D6 time in year. Now you click OK. Okay. Then one thing don't forget is you need to highlight the table first before you even go to data and then whatever analysis and your data table. Because otherwise, Excel doesn't know where you want to put the data in the table. Now, row input cell, again, D5, and then column input cell, your column is your year, D6. Okay, and voila, your table has already been filled over here. You cannot change one element within the table. If you need to modify it or change it or whatever, you need to delete the entire table and then redo it again. So let's look at here. Here's the solution. Make it easy for you. It looks like that you will double your money in 14 years. Right here, right? You initially you put in $1,000. Now in 14 years you earn 2,000 something. And let's compare that with the less compounding period, which is the fewer compounding period, which is close to 2,000. Not much. That's pretty much what you wanted to find out. So this is a two-way data table because you have two variables, and you see one variable change. What will be the results here? For example, you have compounding monthly, and in 10 years you will earn only like 1,600 something. And so that wraps up my presentation. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.